Hello friends, I want to show you how we can unlock a PDF file. As we see, my file is locked and there is a symbol for lock. And also, as you see, I can select it, but I can't copy and use any of the options. All options is inactive. It is solve the problem. Okay, go to Google. Just write unlock PDF file, search, then unlock PDF files. You have much option. I choose this one. I comfortable with this. I love it PDF. And select your PDF file. That's my PDF file. Select it, open, unlock PDF, and download. Here, open show in folder. That is my file. Just open it. Okay, as you see, here we have log symbol, but here there is no symbol. Now we can use any option as we need. You see, directly the dictionary will be active. You can use, and also you can copy and any option you can use. But here you can't copy, and also dictionary is not active. Now just click dictionary. You can directly get your translation. That's all. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.